Hello everybody, this is DDK Kitchen's DDK Recipe Books. What I'm making tonight is fresh Atlantic cod fillets, and I'm pan frying them in vegetable oil. The vegetable oil is Crisco, okay, pure vegetable oil, no fake stuff, remember, nothing artificial here, not in my kitchen. Okay, these are cooking high right now, but I'm lower the temperature, as you can see, on my electric panel. I have an electric stove. If you have gas, probably put it on medium. But these have a breading on them, and the breading actually is very simple breading. It's Italian herb breading that you're going to use, but you're going to dip these. First, you're going to get these ready. You're going to pre-soak them in little medium warm water and lemon juice, okay? So you get the fishy flavor out of it. Okay, you don't want that. That doesn't taste that. I don't think it tastes as good, all right? So you're going to do that, okay? And you're going to do that for about 10 minutes or so. And then while you're doing that, you're going to be mixing the batter for these bad boys here. And what I mean by the batter, you're going to take that breadcrumbs, you know, and any good brand, Italian seasoning flavor, herb flavor, that type of thing, garlic, it's fine for codfish. And also you can use it on other meats as well. So you're going to take the breadcrumbs, you're going to put that in a bowl, you're going to mix in some oregano, some garlic powder. You're also going to put in some dill weed, a little caraway, and you're also going to put in a little onion powder, all in that dried, seasoned breadcrumbs in the bowl. You're going to take that, then you're going to mix that all up, and then you're going to take the codfish fillets, you're going to take them out of the water, and you're going to squish them in a clean washcloth. Squish all that extra water out of them, because you don't want to cook them wet like that, and you don't want that lemon water, fishy water on your fish. Okay, so you're gonna have to put this up a little bit again because I want them a little crisper than that. So you're gonna want to do that, and then you're gonna want to dip them in the milk, which is egg milk, which you can use egg whites, you can use egg yellows, which are fat-free, and then mix in about a quarter cup of half and half in that egg wash. Dip each fillet in that, very good on both sides, and dip it in the dry breadcrumb mix. Then put it in a pan, like here is a deep frying pan with vegetable oil in it that's already been heated on to about medium high, and then pan fry them until they get nice and crisp on both sides, which will take approximately 5 to 6 minutes for both sides. You see how that other side is now? See how nice and brown that is? And that just tastes so yummy. I mean, way better than you can get at a fish and chip restaurant. Way better. And a whole lot better for you, okay? There's no artificial anything here, which you cannot control what is put in a restaurant. Now, let's, you know, it says on the menu, okay? So, anyway, you're going to have that, all right? You're going to have, I want this type of crust on both sides. So, I'm going to flip this one over here, okay? A little hard with one hand. All right, I'm going to flip that one over. Now both of these are getting nice and crisp. So you're going to continue doing that until all four of them look like this. Now fish is delicious, okay, when you do just a little extra to it. This recipe is in my first book, DDK Recipes and the Mediterranean Diet, and it's just so easy to do. From start to finish, what I just told you, should take you no more than 5 minutes. To cook it another 5-6 minutes on both sides, so you've got the crispy crust like that. That's 10 minutes to put a dinner on the table, okay? I think you can handle it. And then if you wanted to have a nice delicious salad like this is a mixed salad with red peppers, bell red peppers, yellow peppers, some coleslaw salad, and some just regular romaine lettuce in there. Then I did a white vinegar white wine vinegar because I did a red wine vinegar, olive oil, oregano, a little sea salt, little dill, caraways in here, red pepper, a little onion pepper, and mix it together. That's my salad, that's my dinner, that's it. So find my books and buy my books from me, Wah, at divadish67@gmail.com or 612-859-3270, or go to Grunhofer's in Hugo, the meat market, or go to Flicker Meat Market on White Bear Avenue in White Bear. I hope you enjoy this dinner tonight. This is our dinner, but gotta go because I gotta eat. Ciao, babies.